You piece of you good for son of a If you guys are wondering why I'm cursing so much, because we're at T1 to try none other than Gordon Ramsay's restaurant for the first time in Delhi. It's Gordon Ramsay, guys. इसको एक दो गाली देनी चाहिए वरना वो वाइब्स नहीं आएगी. It's giving very American diner style but airport version. I am really excited क्योंकि आज मुझे बहुत भूख लग रही है और एक और day है when the video and my lunch is sponsored by OK Tested. It couldn't be greater than this. Hi, can I get the menu please? You know what guys, fun story. 5 years ago on my grad trip in Vegas, I'd actually gone to a Gordon Ramsay restaurant, but that time I was so broke. तो मैंने बस सबसे सस्ती डिश पकाई थी और एक स्टोरी पोस्ट करी थी वहाँ से. So it feels really nice that 5 years later मैंने सोचा था तब कि कब Gordon Ramsay का रेस्टोरेंट इंडिया आएगा. Cut to 2025. मुझे थोड़ी हंसी आ रही है because I thought I would literally die then before seeing a tandoori paneer burger on a Gordon Ramsay menu. This is unreal. This is globalization to the max, guys. Excuse me? Gordon Ramsay ने खुद बनाया ये मेन्यू? No. Yes.
तंदूरी पनीर.
Oh my God! Is it my lucky day or what, guys? What's on the menu? Let me be your guide and let me tell you. This is the iconic GFC, which is the Gordon Fried Chicken Burger. This is a cult favorite, classic, really popular. I think this is the Ménage à Trois, which is the lamb burger. This is the hotter than hell dirty fries. This is their local Indian burger, which is the butternut squash bhajia burger. This is the GFC salad. Right now, just off the looks, I can see a whole lot of fried chicken. Tandoori paneer burger on a Gordon Ramsay menu. This is the chicken steak breakfast burger. And then of course we have very American diner style, a strawberry smoothie. And this one I think is their favorite because I saw the same version in a milkshake also. It's the sticky toffee pudding. I swear to God, this looked way more appetizing before the video started. These guys are to blame. Inke shots nahi khatam ho rahe the and the ice cream has melted, so I'm gonna start with this. Whenever my face looks like I'm gonna cry, it just means that the food is looking so much tempting. Wow, toffee pudding is so soft. It's made with dates, so it's naturally sweet. And the caramel is so gooey. It's such a good combo. And I can also see that they have punctured holes in the pudding. So the caramel is just seeping inside the pudding. It's so good. Love this. If you have time, ये dessert तो खाना बनता है. Just a downfall. All good things are too good to be true. This is 1200 calories, guys. Oh my God. ये खाने के बाद, you can skip all meals. So this sticky toffee pudding is priced at 399 rupees, which honestly I think is the most affordable thing on this menu. But if you have a sweet tooth, you should definitely check out. They also have bottomless ice cream, which basically means pay for ice cream once. और अगर by chance आपकी flight delay हो गई तो यहाँ बैठो और दिन भर ice cream दबाते रहो. And they can't even kick you out. Okay, next up, I'm gonna have the GFC, which is the Gordon Fried Chicken Burger. This looks like a perfect burger जो आपको ads में दिखता है. It's perfectly golden brown. It's got a deep fried chicken patty coming in at 1139 calories. Damn, I don't know if I can take a bite of this, but I'm going to make an attempt. The burger is really crispy. So first you have the bun, then you have the lettuce, you have a hash brown, fried chicken patty, cheese along with the GFC sauce. I like the melted cheese on it. They've got applewood cheese which is adding like a really nice, thoda sa snacky flavor de raha hai isme. I think it's complementing the burger. The GFC is like a sriracha mayo but tangier. I think Delhi has really good burgers. Gordon Ramsay's got to up his game a little bit. Let's move on to the next burger. So this, tell me if this doesn't remind you of the bhajia pav you've had in Mumbai, on the streets of Mumbai. I love that there's a cross fusion of that. I hope this slaps. I'm waiting for it to slap me in the face with the most amazing flavors. Let's go for it. Wow. It's got a really nice sweet. Oh, it's the mango chutney, and it's also got mint and coriander yogurt dip kind of a thing. It's really nice. I think they've done a very good job at capturing like the desi spices and flavors in this patty. All of these things that you see, fried onion, that's the best flavor in the world. I think this is a really good combo. Never did I think that I would like Gordon's Indian version of a burger better than his original one. Oh, how I have missed shooting for OK Tested. Videos क्यों नहीं आ रहे थे? Is a very good question. Actually, हमारे parents का divorce हो गया था. हमारी parent company का divorce हो गया था और घर में थोड़े कलेश चल रहे थे. So just like any family, we needed time to regroup and come to terms with what's happening. And hopefully now we'll be back with the bang. Let us know in the comments कि आपको हमसे क्या देखना है. And all of us really miss you. Okay. Moving on to the dirty fries. Okay, this is the hotter than hell dirty fries. It's supposed to be really popular, their bestseller. इसमें melted mozzarella cheese है. It's got hotter than hell salsa. So we know the spicy level इसका मैं expect कर रही हूँ to be high. There's the GFC hot sauce which has 2 chilies. Then there's the street hot sauce which has 3 chilies. And then is the hotter than hell hot sauce which has 4 chilies. But let's be real, we're Indians and spicy food is in our veins. So let's see if Gordon Ramsay's level of spice meets an average Indian spice level. It tastes a little bit like barbecue sauce, but way spicier than that. But it's not spicy enough for Indians, यार. हम गोलगप्पे का पानी ऐसे पीते हैं जैसे our life depends on it. It's a good French fry dish. It's got cheese, it's got hot sauce, it's got relish. What more can you ask for? This is for $479. Made the right decision by putting this restaurant at the airport, because you know how you go to the theater where you order like a popcorn and a coke and your bill is suddenly 1,000 rupees. I think इस पे वही लगा है, airport tax. मुझे तो ऐसा लग रहा है मेरे 5 साल पहले भी गॉर्डन रैमसे खाने की औकात नहीं थी और अभी भी नहीं है. Okay, this is the tandoori paneer burger. You can see the paneer grilled patty on it. It's also got some caramelized onions on top. This is a really juicy paneer burger. मैंने ऐसा पनीर बर्गर कभी देखा नहीं है, but let's go for it. Typical Indian spices वाला taste है. The paneer is a bit too thick of caramelized onions. I think that's adding a really good taste to it. It is extremely sloppy for some reason, and also it has some kind of a mysterious curry sauce. Which curry, man? Gordon Ramsay, are you being racist? Because we have like 100 different types of curries in India. I personally preferred the butternut squash bhajia burger way better than the paneer one, and in fact way better than the GFC also. Next try करते हैं ménage à trois. Ménage à trois basically in French means पति पत्नी और वो. It's a relationship of 3 people. अब इसमें मुझे पता नहीं पति पत्नी और मैं कौन हूँ. But this was the lamb burger. Their staff said that this is the best lamb burger out of the 3 options. That's why we chose this. They have used fried onions like a weapon. They have smoked cheese. They've also put pickled red onions, which basically just means sirka pyaz. The moment I took a bite of the lamb patty, the juices just burst in my mouth. I like the pickled onion. It's got fried onion also. It's got pickled onions also. So this got like 2 different kind of textures. This burger is bussin'. It's really good. It's not too dry. It's not too sloppy. I think this is the burger that you should go for. When I first heard that Gordon Ramsay was opening a restaurant at the airport in Delhi, I thought it would be T3. But T1 is the newer airport. It's more hip. They want to make it fun and trending. Also, why would white people want to have a tandoori paneer Gordon Ramsay burger? So maybe this was a strategic move. 4 burgers down, and I think I need a little bit of greens in me. This is the Gordon fried chicken salad. It looks exactly like the Gordon fried chicken burger, but deconstructed. It's got the same fried chicken. It's got the same hot sauce dressing. Lettuce है, बस इसमें bun missing है. It's got the GFC hot sauce also, and it's got the salad dressing. I'm so curious how they fry their chicken, because this has been out for a while and it is still crispy. Unlike most traditional salads, I don't think this is very healthy. It's got 652 calories. It also has smashed avocado. It's got roasted pepper, tomato, onion, iceberg lettuce. A little bit about Gordon Ramsay. Fun fact, guys, he actually wanted to be a footballer. Then he had an injury and he started interning with a chef. And that's how he became the world famous Gordon Ramsay that we know. For people who don't know Gordon Ramsay, he's like Raghu from Roadies was a chef. Okay, we're moving on to our last dish, which technically should have been the first one because it's the breakfast burger. God damn, this is like the bap of all burgers. ये नाश्ता करके कोई फ्लाइट में कैसे जा सकता है? I don't want to sit next to the person जिसने ये खाया नाश्ता करके. It's got lettuce, it's got some veggies, tomato, onions, cucumber I can see, hash brown patties, it's got a fried chicken patty, it's got bacon, it's got egg. This is insane. I can see it also has pickled onions. Maybe that's gonna help with the digestion. I don't know. Hey Bhagwan, कैसे खाओ? Wow, इसमें bacon का अच्छा flavor आ रहा है. I like that. Bacon and egg suddenly gives a very breakfast kind of a vibe. It has less calories than a GFC, which is the Gordon Fried Chicken Burger. This has 800 calories. That one was too heavy for me. It's too many calories. It's 2025 guys, सब लोग हाई रॉक्स कर रहे हैं और हम अभी भी 1200 calories for breakfast खा रहे हैं. Let's go for the milkshake. The strawberry smoothie is actually really nice. It is just the right amount of sweet and it's got whipped cream, and it's what I like is that they have actually put in little chunks of strawberry. So it's really nice. If I had to compare it, it's kind of like Caventer's milkshake. Just as good. 10,000 calories that I have just had. For 5 days I have to live in the gym to digest all of this. Oh my god. Guys, I just saw a family of 3 sharing one burger. That should have been our game plan. And here I've had 5 burgers on my own. Oh my god. Oh my god, that was one hell of a meal. Oh, from Hell's Kitchen. Get it? I think this was a really cool experience, that's for sure. I would say that Indians are not very generous with their rating. We are ingrained. We will compare that is this burger worth it? Because in India, the competition is so tough. आपको 500 रुपए में बहुत amazing, बहुत सारे अच्छे burgers मिल जाएंगे. So is this burger better than all of those burgers? I honestly don't think so. With that being said, I think some of the burgers are definitely worth trying. Butternut Bhaji burger was really good. I think it was a really cool combination of West meets East. आप ये burger on the go तो नहीं खा सकते क्योंकि it's a pretty big burger. You can pack it and take it and maybe eat it in your flight and shock the person next to you with the size of that burger. But yeah, it's still really cool. And a lot of us can now finally say that we had food at Gordon Ramsay's Burger. If you're passing through T1, definitely check this out. This is something to take off your bucket list. And if you like our video, then you know what to do. Like, share, comment, and subscribe too. Okay, tested! Oh my god. Goosebumps, guys. Goosebumps. कितने टाइम बाद मैंने ये बोला है.
यहाँ क्या हो रहा है? Well, मैं बताता हूँ.